Okay. इकडे लक्ष द्या सगळेजण. Okay. Now, you pay attention. This thing is called as chumbal. Very good. Or gadri also. People say gadri sometimes. There are some terms in Hindi, and that's why it's a little bit different. Okay. So this is chumbal or gadri. Then this is tabla dagga. Okay. This is bhanda. Okay. This is called, and this one here, the wooden thing, is khod. Okay. These small things, the wooden blocks, they're gattas on each side. Okay. On tabla and tabla. The outer portion, this thing is called gajra. It's tied with the wadis. Alright, this is wadi gajra. Now this outer border is chati or kinar. Both the things, alright? Then this part here is sur or love. Okay? Now here it's a little different. The bigger part is called maidan, and the small part is called sur or love. Alright? The smaller part, this is love and this is maidan. The middle portion, the central portion is called as excellent. Very good. Excellent. Shai. So, let me tell you a little bit about how it's made. Alright? You know, this wood is of sometimes teak wood, sometimes mango. Okay? This metal is mostly copper or zinc. But nowadays they have come up with steel daggas as well, because they are cheaper. Okay? This becomes a little expensive if you use the copper. Okay? But the copper has a characteristic that can sustain the sound more. Like look this. That sustaining quality. It's more in copper. That's why copper is used. Alright? Now these wadis are made up of buffalo skin. Alright? And this, the puris are made up of goat skin. There is one more thing. There is a circle you can see. This is called a pendi. Okay? And these wadis are woven. Actually, this is only one wadi. This is a one-piece wadi, but it's woven into several parts. There are 16 holes here. And in those 16, there are again 3. 4 for dagga, 3 for tabla. Okay? So the 16 is the same count anywhere in the world. Alright? This thing is a goat skin. And the shai is a unique part of tabla.
You said it was like iron powder or something?
Exactly. Very good. Very good view. So earlier they used to have an iron powder, very fine iron powder mixed with starch and glue and a little bit of water. So they used to make a paste out of it and then put it on this. Firstly, the glue was placed on the puri. Then the first layer of shai. Normally they scratch it with a stone. So what happens is all the water content of that thing gets evaporated. And then it's kept outside in the sun for a while to dry. Only the first layer. And then there is, you can see that there are small circles, right? These are all layers. And they give layer upon layer, layer upon layer, till you get the desired sound. Now this has no technical number of circles or like any formula for that. And that's why the old tabla makers are better. And it's like this is an art which is passed through generations. From one big tabla maker to his son, it goes like that. Alright? On tabla, this is a little different. You can see that on dagga, it's not exactly at the center. because we have to produce these sounds with the variation of wrist pressure. Because this thing is tuned to only one note. Right now this is tuned to A sharp. And for that to get tuned, this shai has layers, and then the middle layer, if this is sur, this is chati. If chati is on a higher side, it's sharp than the sur, we put one small piece of shai at the center. If the sur is sharper than the chati, then we put it on the outside. Got it? So when they tune the tabla, this is the most important process, because when they tune the tabla, this has to be the same. After when the tabla is tuned, you can see me doing this is called as top. This we have adopted from Pakhavaj. Pakhavaj, they do this thing with the palm. But we have just followed the action. You can see there is only one sur. Because there are 16 things, right? Small spots. Every spot is called as a ghar. Okay? So 16 ghars. And every ghar should be tuned properly in order to get a uniform sound. You can see it's only one sur. It's not vibrating, it's not fluctuating. Okay? If it fluctuates, it means, firstly, either the shai is not placed properly or the tabla is not tuned properly. Alright? So, this is all about tabla. Anyone has any doubts?